In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that comes from the site protectionrequired.com. Certain categories of people may suddenly see these pop-ups and they may notice these strange alerts that mention that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. People who see these pop-ups could have visited some hacked or compromised websites, and as a result they got forwarded to this deceptive resource by protectionrequired.com. This pop-up, protectionrequired.com, indicates that your system is horribly damaged by some malware, and the pop-up also indicates that you need to proceed and fix your computer. But whenever people agree with this proposal, they get a new tab that displays some other scary information, and these pop-ups may also promote some other totally different software. In some cases, you may simply be forwarded to some other deceptive websites that may try to force you into downloading and installing potentially unwanted software. Also, these pop-ups by protectionrequired.com try to make you click on the Allow button in order to show notifications on your browser. In case the Allow button was clicked by mistake, you should fix the issue with your browser. So go to the menu of the browser, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings, scroll down until you find the Permissions area and choose Notifications. Now go to the section of the site that displays pages that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this malicious site, protectionrequired.com, you should remove it from the list, and you should definitely delete other junk sites of similar nature that might show such scary alerts or multiple pop-ups. After you do that, after you remove all these malicious sites, the problem should be fixed, but I also recommend you to additionally investigate the system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, because your computer could be additionally burdened by some hidden malware or adware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner. Using this green button, install the application and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware and anti-malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner Premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner Shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.